mình ba cho nó quy đằng ở đây á.
Amai.
Amai.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Happy Diwali to all. And today, welcome back to my channel again. And I'm going to travel to one place, and it's a night travel. Just want to experience it and share with you. And today is Diwali, so I'm going to show you some children are bursting crackers. So enjoy your Diwali, be safe, and to my friend, bye bye. Bye bye, mister. Bye bye. So sad. Do like this. Look at this, it's very beautiful. No way, I had to walk. गाड़ी कुछ नहीं मिला, तो हम पैदल आ रही है. स्टेशन बस पहुंचने वाला ही है. आप लोग देखते रहिए, एंजॉय करिए मेरा जर्नी और विश मी सेफ जर्नी. वीडियो कब डालने को मिलेगा हम अभी बोल नहीं सकता है. I have reached now the Dibrugarh station. I have reached the station. सबका सब राजधानी ही लग गए ट्रेन. बहुत सारे यहाँ से निकलता है राजधानी. मेरा प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 2 में आने वाला था ट्रेन, तो हम देख के आएगा. ये है मेरा ट्रेन, यही जाने वाला है. इसको क्या प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 2 पे है अभी. और ये ट्रेन कामरूप एक्सप्रेस है. यहाँ डिब्रूगढ़ से हावड़ा तक ये ट्रेन निकलता है और हम उसी से जा रहे हैं अभी. तो हम ट्रेन तो अभी बहुत देर बाकी है, क्योंकि अभी सिर्फ 8:28 PM now, and the train will start by 11 something. I forgot exactly. So I had to come early because I would not get any vehicle there. So I had come. Now and this is like S10 sleeper class. So my coach is S4. So I will be in the S4. The color is changed. Last time we came, last 2 years back, when we came from Howrah, it was like a blue color, like that. And now the color has changed. Now it has changed to red now. अभी बहुत tired. So I'm very tired, and then see, I'm sweating now. It's a winter still though, and I'm tired and with this now. And I'm going to my auntie or my sister house first of all. And आप लोग बड़ो यूट्यूबर जस्टिन डेमारी को पहचानता ही है. वो बहुत उम्र में छोटा है, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा ब्लॉग बनाता है और बहुत जोश वाला है. तो उसी को मिलने जा रही हूँ हम. आप लोग भी देखते रहिए. And I'm going to meet my nephew. He is Justin Daimari. And yeah, we are going to make a together vlog, and stay tuned for that.
तो ये रही मेरा ट्रेन और ये अभी जाने वाला है, यहाँ से निकलने वाला है. and I'm traveling till Udalguri. So it's going to start now. I'll have to walk in the first, I think, because this still in some places. इतना लंबा ट्रेन हुआ अरे वाह फिर भी फुल होके जाते हैं.
And this is my coach as well. And this is my coach. My one is on the upper berth, so I choose the upper berth because it's a night time and traveling, and now it's a winter season, so it will be like warm, a bit warmer than the lower one. So yeah, see you in the morning. Journey has started now. You can see that every train here I saw is like everything is in a red color, so everything has sense, I think, because I have not been for long in the stations or the traveling by train, and today I saw that every train are in red color now. अब बहुत ठंड लग रहा है. It's my destination.
तुझको मैं रख लूं वहाँ जहाँ पे कहीं है मेरा यकीन मैं जो तेरा ना हुआ किसी का नहीं किसी का नहीं ले जाए जाने का
Finally, I have reached the village of my sister, brothers, and I'm going to meet my nephew Justin Daimari, who is also a YouTuber, small YouTuber.
You can see the paddies are fully ripe and it's time to harvest now. And this cucumber, they are very much agriculturist, so to say. They cultivate many things, especially watermelon. And they cultivate it in a huge amount, large amount. This is so. Here comes my brothers-in-law. Oh!
हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं बेगानी है ये बागी हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए मुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए जाने कहाँ ना मुझको खबर
Angga, pernah ke Johor ya? Morning, morning. Yeah. Justin Daimari.
Nơi à đã cơ lên cùng mình ba cho nó quy đằng à đấy á.
Amai.
Mai. Cái lại đừng phở.
Ini English saja le.
Đừng English. Đừng
Okay. So this is my nephew Justin Daimari, a kid YouTuber, very famous YouTuber.